Okay, it is, well, I forget what it is, February 12th, 2021. It's 8 below Victoria, Minnesota. It has not been above zero in, I don't know, a couple days. It was 20 below last night. It's going to be 20 below tonight. This hasn't started. I mean, not that it hasn't started. I haven't turned it on in a week. So kind of want to show that even though this thing is old, 179, 900 miles almost, let's do a super cold start. Okay, I've got light. The battery's there. I'm gonna. Okay, plug. 1, 2, 3. No gas. I have not touched. I have not put my foot on the gas. I mean, you know what I mean? I did not have to give any pedal. I sure hope that that is legible. 179,049 miles. This thing thinks that the exterior temperature is 5 below. Okay, well, I'm gonna let it warm up for 15 minutes, get the transmission warm, go drive it a couple miles. Well, I'm gonna go drive it about 15 miles, make it good and warm. All right, my ass is freezing.